Hi, and welcome to the King Biscuit Flower Hour. Tonight's show presents the new riders of the Purple Sage and Manfred Mann, both recorded at the Beacon Theater in New York. The King Biscuit Flower Hour features concerts recorded live and broadcast in SQ quadraphonic and compatible stereophonic sound, and is presented on this station on the second and last Sunday of each month. The King Biscuit Flower Hour is brought to you by the makers of Scotch brand recording tapes. Scotch, the choice of professional recording studios. And by Lee Jeans and Jackets. We'll be back with the new riders of the Purple Sage after this word. The makers of Scotch brand recording tape would like to make a confession. If you buy a cassette, it doesn't matter which brand you buy, chances are it'll sound pretty good. The question is, how long will it sound pretty good? I can't speak for the other guys, but if it's a Scotch cassette, laboratory tests prove that you're good for hundreds of replays or re-recordings. And that's a fact, because Scotch cassettes are engineered to sound great time after time after time. You see, there's a tough binder that keeps the magnetic coating from wearing off, and there's Posi-Track finish that helps prevent jamming and reduces wow and flutter. And the cassette shell is made with plastic that can withstand 150 degrees Fahrenheit without losing its shape. Now there's even a push-button storage case to protect your cassettes all the more. Scotch cassettes. You know, they just might outlive you. The year 1889. The place, Salina, Kansas. The man, H.D. Lee. His business, groceries. His idea, making overalls. Why? Because deliveries from the East were slow. So he opened a factory and started making denim overalls. And that's how your Lee jeans, jackets, and leisure suits began. From humble overalls for farm workers and one-piece union alls with a shirt and pants attached. And rugged cowboy denims. And that's how it all started. Simply, practically, and functionally. And you know where blue jeans have gone since then. Sure, they have the same simplicity and the same practicality and the same function. That's why you like them. But they're more than that now. Now they mean fashion. Fashion in a way that high-fashion designers never dreamed of. Think about it. What do you feel most comfortable in? That's right, your blue jeans. Well, Lee has never lost sight of that. But Lee did have the foresight to blend in style. Now you can feel at home anywhere in Lee jean suits and Lee leisure suits. After all, when you live in the life of Lee, you might as well enjoy weekend comfort all week long.